all this stuff.
Oh, yeah. I hadn't noticed a new sign.
Oh, this is your property line? What?
Upper House down the top.
Oh.
Because the part of it was
The logic is always in there, right? The logic is in there. Which one's good? Huh? They all go at the same time? Which one's
we should walk down the street and see what's available.
Looks pretty fun. I mean, it does. I mean, it's good. It's probably. We took a lot of stuff out to, I went near that park building.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's only about 3 minutes to sale time. If anybody wants to get a number, we'll get you signed in and tell you all about it. But if you want to be anonymous bidding, we'll take that too.
Do you honor Twitches here?
I'll take a bid anyway you do it.
Utility trailer behind the car. Real wide.
The awning at the diner wasn't big enough to handle the crowd. So
Good thing they've been shut down too, huh?
it says no refunds, no exceptions. Personality.
And anyway, it was been working that he got it. Back to my house. So let that happen. Relatives of the Richard.
We have lots of other
That's how I heard
All right, by my Mickey Mouse watch my wife gave me about 30 years ago. It looks like it's about noon.
Yeah, it's that time.
All right, my name's Keith Thomas. I'm the property appraisal liquidation specialist with the Internal Revenue Service. I am an IRS employee. I'm out of Louisville, Kentucky. I cover 4 states for the IRS and wherever else they need me to go to help with sales. But we got a piece of paper here. It does have our website, irssales.gov. You can go to irsauctions.gov. We sell everything from airplanes to boats to cars, you name it. Livestock, you name it, different things. But anyway, IRS sent me to auction school back in 1986, and that's all I do is deal with sales. So anyway, it's a beautiful little town. If I hadn't had an auction today, I don't think I'd ever made it to Marlington, West Virginia. Marlinton, not Marlington, but Marlinton, West Virginia. So it's a real pretty area. The trees are nice. I've been trying to tell people the Appalachian Trail's right up the road here. And we were in Gatlinburg over the weekend, and I believe your trees are prettier than the Smokies right now. Anyway, but it's a job getting here though. But as I told somebody, you can see you're coming around the mountain, right? when you get here. Well, anyway, we're selling the right. I hope everybody's got a copy of the notice of sale. Information about investment encumbrances and liens against the property. It appears that the IRS is the senior lien holder in this situation, and we're selling this real estate only, belonging to Arlene S. Armstrong, who admitted French's Diner. Includes this 24 by 48 frame building. Includes all the property, the rights, the taxpayer, individually, whether tangible or intangible, the operation of the business, consisting of the structure, leasehold interest, taxpayer, and any other assets associated with the operations of this business. To my knowledge, there are no liens senior to the IRS. The terms are, with all IRS sales, with very few exceptions, there is a reserve. There are a couple exceptions where they're not reserved, but in this case there is a reserve. Notice has been properly given with the paper here. I need to go down and pay my paper bill before I leave. So we did bring some money to your little town.
We got the total.
We got the total. And you wanted to pay this morning, they weren't quite ready for me, but I think the young ladies went across the street to the little diner there, restaurant, so we got brought some money to your little town.
Yeah, you need to stop at our coffee shop.
Is that the coffee shop?
Yep, that's a coffee shop. Good coffee.
All right, well, that sounds good. But anyway, anybody have any questions concerning the sale? Any questions?
How much is the reserve?
$3,000. $3,000.
$3,000?
Just to be clear, you're selling from US, right?
We're selling that wooden building over there.
Not the real estate.
Not the real estate, yeah.
Okay.
I did talk to the owner, and thought they'd be here today. That would clear up a lot of things, but that didn't happen. But I believe at one time, I think the original lease was for $600 a month, and it was renegotiated down to $400 a month. Now, I don't know exactly how long she's been out of the business. Don't know the answer to that. Looks like when she moved, she took everything with her.
Yeah. Countertops.
Yeah.
Floor.
So anyway, that's what we're selling. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions? Any questions?
Is there a possibility it could stay on the property with the owners? Were they interested, or does it have to be moved?
I don't know the answer to that question. I would think they would, they control that building, they do anything they want to with it. But our IRS lien's still attached to it. I don't know. I'm in sales and marketing. This is the collection officer. She's out of Bridgeport. She might be able to answer more of those questions. I have Camp Sloan over here. She's the most important person here, not me. She's helping me. You know why she's the most important person here? And if we sell it, she's going to tell me who bought it. Sometimes I get talking and I forget who bought it. She keeps me straight. Now, we did a restaurant sale back in Buchanan, maybe back in June, but the United States. All right. Pursuant to the authority contained in Section 6331 and 6335 of the Internal Revenue Code, and by virtue of a levy issued by the authority of the Secretary, the right, title, and interest of the property described in the notice of public auction sale will be sold. Such interest that offers subject prior outstanding encumbrance in favor of the third party gets the security of lien in the United States. I've given everybody a copy of Form 2434B. Don't know of any liens senior to the United States as liens. The government makes no guarantee or warning expressed or implied as to the validity, quality, and condition of the property. No claim will be considered for allowance or adjustment or for rescission of the sale based upon failure of the property to conform with any representation expressed or implied. The property is sold as is, where is, without recourse against the United States. Notice the sale has been given in accordance with all the legal requirements. The property is sold to the highest bidder. The sale will be final upon acceptance of the highest bid in accordance with the terms of the sale. Payment must be made by cash, certified check, cashier's or treasury check, or the United States Postal Bank Express or Telegraph money order. All checks and money orders must be made payable to the United States Treasury. A certificate of sale will be delivered to the successful bidder as soon as possible upon receipt of full payment purchase type before. Terms and conditions of the sale are full payment today. Once I receive your bid, I'm going to give you what they call a certificate of sale, which basically transfers the ownership to whoever buys that property today. The certificates, this is the important thing, the certificate of sale of personal property given will discharge the property from all liens, encumbrances, and titles which are junior to the federal tax lien by virtue of which the levy is made. And this includes any IRS liens that are out there reported. Now, I even got an additional blessing today. When I went on the website, I always try to get a little byline of what's famous in this community, and I found out it was the Roadkill Cook-Off, and I met the head chef. So, can life get any better than that? All right, does anybody have any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? All right, I got a question for you. How about a $5,000 bid, anybody? How about 5? Do you want me to 5? Anybody go $5,000 bid? You want a 5? How about $4,000 bid? Anybody want 4? You want it 4? How about $3,500? $3,500 bid anyway. You know, really want it 35. Opportunities knocking. That's a little Appalachian Trail. Surely somebody wants to stop and get a coffee and a Coke or something. $3,500 bid. Anybody go 35? How about $3,000? $3,000 bid. Anybody go 3? You want them at 3? Say 3. Anybody? $3,000 bid. Anybody go 3? You want them at 3? Anyone want them at 3? Last call. Anybody want to buy them for $3,000? I can't go any lower than that. That's the IRS reserve on the property. I think the county's got it at 5. That may be too much or too little. I don't know. How about $3,000 bid? Anybody? 3,000. Anybody go 3? Don't be a wish I had. Be a glad I did. Don't go home and tell them what you could have done. Tell them what you did. How about $3,000 bid? Anybody go 3? Anybody go 3? You want them at 3? Last call. Anybody want it for $3,000? They told me at auction school, don't beg. I can't do any more begging. $3,000. Anybody? Last call. Thanks for coming, folks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
What's the next step?
I don't know. I work for that lady over there. She's got to tell me what to do. Our lien's still attached to the building. Anyway, check out the IRSsales.gov, IRSauctions.gov. I think next month they're going to have like a